Yo, what's up guys, it's Mystic, and for this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can basically turn your own house into your own movie theater. And all you need is a Fire Stick, or if you have the Fire TV with the Fire TV built in, you are also good to go. So now, before we jump in, a very important note: this video is strictly for educational purposes only and to showcase publicly available content. We absolutely do not endorse or encourage accessing copyrighted material illegally, so please ensure you're only streaming content that is legal to watch. Now, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so the first thing that you would need to do, go to the search bar. You're going to have to get this app right here called Downloader. Now if you type in DO, the first thing that pop up will be that app. It's going to look exactly like this, so an orange icon with Downloader. You're going to go ahead and click on that and download it. So I'm going to go ahead and download that. Now while this is installing, the next step that you will have to do, you have to go to your settings. You're going to have to go down. So my download is done. You're going to go to My Fire TV. Now if you have the Fire TV where it's built in, it may say something different like just My TV, but it'll be the same exact thing. Just click on this. And then once you click on this, as you can see, you got a few options. You got About, Sleep, Restart. And on this screen, you're going to go to About. It's going to show you Fire TV, which is going to have all your information like your serial number, the name of it and everything. But when you get to this screen, just click on this 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and boom, you unlock developer mode. So now you have a secret mode that's unlocked on your Fire TV or Fire Stick. So now when you go here, alright, so go to developer options, and then right here under install unknown apps, you're going to click on that and turn it on for Downloader, which will be an app that we just downloaded. So now once you have that downloaded, you're going to have to go to your apps, which I can go scroll down here. My Downloader is right here now. So I'm going to click on this, and this is the app right here. It's going to look like this, and this is exactly what it looks like. Alright, so you're now going to type in this link that I'm going to put on the screen. So you can either type it along with me, or basically once I'm completed this, you could go ahead and just pause it or screenshot it, whatever you want to do. But just make sure you type in this link exactly the way I have it typed in, so you're going to the right location. And then once you hit go, as you can see, it's going to take you directly to their website, and this is exactly what it's going to look like. So it's going to have the latest version. If you want one of the original versions or older versions, you could do that. But right here, the latest is 3.4.1. So that's going to be the one that I'm downloading right now. So all you got to do is basically click on the one that you want. For this video, I'm going to do the newest one, which is 3.4.1. Click on it, and then as you can see, it's going to download. Now once it downloads, you're going to hit install. And then it's going to take you to this screen, so you're going to hit install on this, and then once it is complete, it's going to give you the option to open it or hit done. It's done. So now we can go ahead and hit done on that, and now on this screen it's going to give you the option to install it again or delete it. Go ahead and just delete it because you don't need it anymore. Alright, and then that's it. So now you could go out, and I would like to say one thing also. Before you even connect to the app, which if you go right here, settings, go to your apps, you scroll to the bottom, you should have it, which is right here. And then honestly, you could just go ahead and move it up to your top app so you can, always have it quickly. And before you even open up the app, I highly recommend getting a VPN, because you would need that for anything as far as streaming, especially if you're going to be streaming content. It's going to protect your connection and make your connection actually private. I could do a tutorial on that. If you want to see that, I could definitely do that. Just let me know in the comments. But let's go ahead and open up the app, and this is what it should look like. This is exactly what it's going to look like. Another disclaimer saying it's for educational purposes only. But as of right now, when you open it up, this is exactly what it's going to look like. It's going to have anything you could think of, whatever you want to see. Of course, watch only public domain content. Don't try to stream anything that's, that you're not supposed to be able to stream. But as you can see right here, it has a lot of options that you can definitely check out. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions, just go ahead and reach out through the comment section. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.